The idea is to use a small motor as a wind generator to generate electricity to power an electric car. I am going to use this small drone motor, which is found in many drone kits, as my generator, and I'm going to use this small blade, which is also found in many drone kits, as the wind generator blade. So if you just attach it, so let's put it near some wind and let's see how many volts and amps it will generate. So to measure the volts and amps, you need a multimeter with two leads, a red and a black lead. And you turn it to the volt setting and you hit select to make it measure in DC voltage, because we're using a DC motor for this project. So you click select, and this is a sign for the DC motor. It's a thick line with 3 thick dots under it. And since you want to measure in volts and not necessarily millivolts, you click range, and as you can see, it's now measuring in volts. So you connect the red and black lead to both the wires. In this, we are using the white lead on the motor to connect it to the red lead of the multimeter. And we are using alligator clips to clip it on to secure it. And the black lead of the motor is going to be connected to the black lead of the multimeter. And again, using an alligator clip to connect it. So now I will switch on the hairdryer and place it so that the wind hits the blades on the anemometer, and the anemometer can measure the wind speed. So as you can see, the anemometer showed a reading of about 20 miles per hour. So now that we know that we're generating about 20 miles per hour, we can see how much our mini generator generates. So we set it up earlier, and now we just have to hold the generator up and place the wind on it. So it generates about 1 volt, which is what was expected. So now we can measure the amps. This generator is not powerful enough to generate 1 amp, so we have to measure in milliamps. So the milliamp symbol is an MA, and again, you have to make sure it's in DC current. So now we just have to measure it for the milliamps. So that was a milliamps. And if you want the max or minimum reading, you just press the max or minimum setting.